We are making chicken enchiladas with green sauce. I've got my oven preheating, so let's go ahead and get the husks off of these. Our vegetables are all roasted up. Let's get it in the blender. What is the least messy way to do this? Okay. I'm gonna add in some salt, garlic, and some cilantro. Now it's time to put our enchiladas all together. Chicken and onion. I've got my corn tortillas, white cheese. All right, here they are. In the oven they go. So here's our chicken enchiladas with green sauce. That one's going in the cookbook.